Hello friends, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil, Department of Commerce, KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to learn how to prepare a cost sheet. Preparation of cost sheet. Let us start. A cost sheet is an important document prepared by the costing department which shows the analysis for different element of cost of the job or product. The cost data incorporated in cost sheet are collected from various statements of accounts which have been recorded in cost accounts either on a day-to-day basis or regular basis. It analyzes and classifies the various expenses on different items for the particular period in a tabular form. It may be prepared for a day, a week, a month, or so on, as per the specific requirement for a particular period. A cost sheet is a statement which represents the various costs incurred at different stages of business operations. In a tabular format, it determines the total cost or expenditure made by the organization, along with the cost incurred on each unit of a product or a service in a particular period. The cost sheet of business organization provides an insight into its performance and efficiency. It helps in competitive analysis and improvement of the business operation through the cost reduction. There are four components of cost sheets. First, prime cost. Second, work cost or factory cost. Then cost of production, and last, total cost. First, we see prime cost. The initial cost made for manufacturing a product, that is raw material, labor, wages and other production related expenses, is termed as prime cost. Following is the equation for computing the prime cost. Prime cost is equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses, where direct material is calculated with the help of following formula, that is direct material is equal to material purchase plus opening stock of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. Students, prime cost is calculated cost of material consumed plus direct labor plus direct expenses is known as prime cost, where direct material is calculated opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material plus expenses on purchase of raw material minus closing stock of raw material less purchase return less sales of scrap or defective of raw material is known as direct material or cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed plus direct labor plus direct expenses is known as prime cost. Then second, works cost or factory cost. The work cost is calculated by summing up the prime cost with the factory overheads and simultaneously adjusting the opening and closing stock of work in progress. Work cost is equal to prime cost plus factory overhead plus opening stock of work in progress minus closing stock of work in progress. The various indirect overhead incurred at the factory premises can be computed with the help of the following formula. Factory overhead is equal to indirect material plus indirect labor plus indirect expenses. So friends, prime cost, add factory overheads, add opening stock of work in progress, less closing stock of work in progress, less sales of scrap or defective of work in progress is known as factory cost or work cost. I repeat again, prime cost plus factory overheads plus opening stock of work in progress less closing stock of work in progress less scrap of defective of work in progress is known as factory cost or work cost. Then cost of production. The cost of production includes all the direct and indirect cost, including the material, labor and other expenses, that is production cost, factory cost and office or administration cost. The following formula denotes the computations of cost production. Cost of production is equal to work cost plus administration overhead. Further, to calculate cost production of goods sold, the opening and closing stock of finished products are adjusted with the cost of production. The formula is cost of production of goods sold is equal to work cost plus administration overhead plus finished goods opening stock minus finished good closing. Okay, friends, factory cost and office overhead is known as cost of production. Factory cost plus office overhead is known as cost of production. Then total cost. The final value of product or service can be determined after adding all the selling and distribution expenses to the cost of production of goods sold. The formula to find out the total cost or cost of sale is total cost is equal to cost of production of goods sold plus selling and distribution overhead. If the sales price of the product or service is known, the following method can be used to determine the profit, and profit is equal to sales minus total cost. Cost of production of office cost add opening stock of finished good less closing stock of finished good is known as cost of goods sold. In cost of goods sold, add selling and distribution overhead is known as total cost or cost of sales. Okay friends, we stop here. If you have any problem relating to this topic, ask me on a question to my email, and my email is ganeshpatil@kthmcollege.ac.in. Thank you very much.